Welcome back, my beautiful little angels. If you've ever struggled to finish off the raw edges of a project, or you've spent hours trying to make it look clean and professional, there's a simple way that you can completely change how you finish your art. And it's all about framing your mosaic designs. And once you understand how to build your mosaic correctly, it's going to open up a whole new way of presenting your artwork. If you're new here, welcome to Piece by Piece Mosaic. On this channel, I share mosaic tutorials, tools, tips, the process behind creating mosaics, and the odd history lesson. And today we're going to be talking about how to add a frame to your mosaic if you want to. What I've got here are some mosaics that I made, and right now they don't have any frames, and I would like to frame them. Now there's a couple of ways that you can start to frame, and there's a couple of things you have to consider before you frame your mosaic. The first thing is, do they even make frames that size? I mentioned in a video before, I tend to make my smaller pieces in the dimensions of many available frames. If size and budget aren't a factor, you can make your mosaic as big as you want and get a custom frame made. But if you want to use pre-made frames, you want to stick to sizes that are readily available, such as 5x7, 8x10, or 11x14. Those sizes are in inches. The reason I chose those dimensions is because you can find those frames anywhere. And framing your mosaic really changes the way your finished piece looks. So the first thing is making your mosaic in the right dimensions of frames. And the second thing is making sure that the edges of your mosaics are clean. You want to make sure you don't have tiles or grout sticking out past the design, or else it's not going to fit in the frame. As an example, I'm going to use this frame here. It looks beautiful, and you're going to see how it changes the look of the mosaic. Here's a mosaic without the frame. Now if I have tiles and grout sticking out past the edges, it's not going to want to fit into the little gap that we have. You can see that tiles and grout are getting caught in the recess. In this case, our mosaic is already dried, and what can we do? Using your straight edge nippers, you can come in and carefully just cut away any of the excess. Might make a bit of a mess, but there you go. Just like so. Now, would you look at that? It fits perfectly in the frame, and it completely changes the way your mosaic looks. It took it to the whole nother level, I'll tell you that. Doesn't it look great? I always remove the glass from the front of the frames. That way the glass doesn't get in the way of the mosaic and doesn't create unnecessary glare or shine. And here's another framed mosaic. See how it makes it look that much better? Cleans up the edges and hides any imperfections that you may have. Another option you have is to make your frame a part of the mosaic. Here I just used tiles and I added it to the mosaic itself. So the frame is a part of the mosaic. Like I mentioned before, if size and budget isn't a problem, you can make your mosaic as big as you want and then get a frame built. Many new frames come with a back piece where you would sandwich in the photo, and you can just take that back piece off and you can even put a mosaic right on top of the back piece of the frame. Or use that as a guide and measure out your mosaic's final size and then glue your tiles so they don't stick out past the edge. That's our biggest concern, is making sure the tiles don't stick out past the edge so that it can fit nicely into the frame. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to frame a mosaic with another mosaic. I'm going to make a mosaic all over this frame and use it to frame this here mosaic. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the video of how I put a mosaic on top of this frame. This was a short little video to show you the options you have when it comes to finishing off the edges of your design. So taking your time when you're laying your mosaic tiles makes a massive difference in the finished result. Learning how to properly frame your piece is going to transform an unpolished craft project into a high-end gallery-ready piece of mosaic artwork. So let me know in the comments, have you ever framed your mosaic? Or is this something you'd like to try? And if you want to learn more about mosaic techniques, tools, and beginner guides, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.